Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. A while back I purchased a Dixie Plates stamping plate when it was first released from the UK and EU stockist Nail Stamping Queen UK, but I just didn't know how I was going to use it. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Dixie Plates Shape Up 01. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a peachy coloured nail tip along with a white stamping polish. Now I have slightly turned the plate for scraping just because of how I'm sat. But once I've removed the excess and stamped down the image, it's left a very crisp and clean swatch, and I love the peach and white colour combo. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. Now I will add polish to the whole of this image, just because once I've picked up the image I can then choose which part of the image I want to add to the nail tip. An unusual image, but it looks great though. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a bright blue stamping polish. I decided to do this swatch as the photo swatch I did neon green stamp over a white base, so I wanted to try a different colour combination so you can really see just how pretty this image is. Again, another very crisp and clean line design. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. With line images like this circle one, I like to scrape in the direction in which the lines are going, so with this one they're going straight down. This just really helps to get a good, clean and complete line image swatch, but this is a great image though. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with an orange stamping polish, not a colour combo that I use a lot of. Now because the lines on this triangle are going diagonal, I'll slightly turn the plate and scrape diagonally, just so I can again get a good scrape for the lines to be crisp and clean, but they do look great though. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and many that I've created from Dixie Plates Shape Up 01. Dixie Plates Shape Up 01 is full of amazing shape design patterns of mixed size, but also 2 very large images in the centre. From these 2 images I've taken 2 swatches from each, but I've just turned the stamper in different directions, so each swatch is slightly different. You could take even more swatches just by turning the stamper, and this will be shown in the many I've made later on. For the smaller images I've just added more than one to a pop stick. I didn't create and design patterns as there is just so many different designs to be made. The possibilities are endless. But I've also used my bright neon and multicoloured pop sticks just because I think the images like this stand out better on them. I also only used my large stamper for the images just so that I could pick up a few of the smaller images at one time. I've been seeing a lot of manis on social media using images like these, so Shape Up 01 will be a super popular stamping plate. I don't think I've ever made a mani using shapes like these before, but they can definitely create some very cool manis. As with all Dixie plates, the quality of the stamping plate is just amazing, which means your swatches are going to be fab. There was a couple that I should have redone, but they're still all really very good though. As it says 01 on the plate, I would expect there to be another in the future, and this will probably be a range that I could really get into. For the mani I went with an orange gel polish as my base, and I've used the top center image for each nail. But what I've done is I've turned the stamper in different directions and I've stamped those in a burgundy stamping polish. I wanted to add some more colour, so I went with a black stamping polish and added some of the small images just to fill in some gaps. I did also think about adding some white as well, but I decided not to in the end. I've also made this matte as well, a really different mani for me, but it's bold and very interesting. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plates Shape Up 01. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.